Hello and welcome to this third video tutorial. In this one, we're going to be looking at a few questions revolving around putting scientific notation values into a physics formula and then evaluating that for a solution. Remember to pause or rewind as needed. Really, you're just using this short video to kind of check your work. The reality is, if you really need help with something like this, you would need to show me your calculator and show me the steps you're doing so that I can help correct you along the way. But let's use this to kind of see what the values we should be getting, okay, when it's all said and done. In number 19, we're going to put this in our calculator, 3.6 times 10 to the 3 divided by 5.2 times 10 to the 4. So 3.6 times 10 to the 3 divided by 5.2 times 10 to the 4. Okay, then we're going to take the square root of that. Then you're going to multiply it by 2 pi out in front. And you should get a number of about 1.65, okay? If you want to round it up to 1.7, that would be fine as well. 1.7 would be the proper number of significant figures, but 1.65 would suffice. Now in number 20, you're going to be multiplying 1/2 times this number squared. So it might be actually better to go kind of work it backwards. Take the back number, put that in your calculator, square it, then multiply times the second number here, then divide by 2. So 3.47 times 10 to the 4th power, square that, times 7.5 times 10 to the 2, then take half of that. You're going to get a pretty big number when it's all said and done. Again, our answer should have the same as the lowest number of significant figures, so I get 4.51. I'm just going to round it down to 4.5 times 10 to the 11th power. Now, in this last one here, here's how we're going to put all of this in our calculator. We're going to multiply 3 things across the top. We're going to go this number, the first number, times the second number, times the third number. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit our divide button. Okay, that's the fraction bar. Then we're going to go open parentheses, this number, close parentheses, squared. Okay, so let's put that all together. Let's first go open parentheses, this number, times this number, times this number, then close parentheses. Let's try that. Okay, so open parentheses, 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 times 5.972 times 10 to the 24th power, which by the way is the mass of the Earth, the average mass of the Earth, times 1.989 times 10 to the 30th power, and close parentheses. That is the average mass of the sun, by the way. Okay, we get a really large number at that point, 7.92 times 10 to the 44. We're going to hit our divide button. We're going to open parentheses. Okay, now enter the bottom, 1.49 times 10 to the 11th power, which is the average Earth-Sun distance. And don't forget to close parentheses and then x squared. When we do, we get a very large value of about 3.57. I'm going to round it to 3 significant figures, times 10 to the 22nd power. Okay, that number, by the way, represents how much force the sun is pulling on the Earth with as the Earth orbits the sun. Okay, I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. Thank you. That is all.